Hi guys! So, as we mentioned, marami kaming branches nationwide and nandito tayo ngayon sa Makati, yung isa sa mga branches namin. Tara, check natin yung store sa loob. So, yung pangalan ng store natin dito sa Makati is Laptop Enterprise Makati. So, hindi siya katulad ng Laptop Factory Baguio, Laptop Factory Lucena, or yung Batangas. However, it is also still affiliated by Laptop Factory. So, kung ano yung binibenta namin sa Laptop Factory, meron din dito sa Makati branch namin. So, we're here inside Doña Consolacion building. And actually, meron din parking sa labas. So, in case na may kotse kayo, hindi kayo mahihirapan mag-park in case na gusto nyo bumili ng laptop. So, if we go ahead, inundun yung store natin, which is the Laptop Enterprise Makati. So, let's see. Let's go to the store. So, while walking on this hallway, na-notice ko yung may-ari ng building na to is mahilig siya sa mga paintings. As you could see here, ayun o. And then, dito din, meron din mga paintings dito. So, tingnan, bago kayo pumunta mismo sa store, meron din mga ibang mga dito, stores bukod sa laptop. So anyways, welcome to Laptop Enterprise Makati. Hi guys, good afternoon. So today we're here at the Makati branch and we're gonna unbox an Acer Swift 3. So this is a consumer laptop on the premium grade level. Kasi normally, if you're looking for a consumer na medyo tight budget, you're gonna look for an Acer Aspire. And this is actually one of the most demanded sa comments na sinasabi mag-vlog ng Swift. So here guys, unbox natin ngayon itong Acer Swift 3. So by the way, after this video, magbibigay tayo ng mga Acer Predator loot bags. So makikita nyo dyan yung mga kung ano yung nasa loob ng Predator loot bag. So if you want to win, it's just simple. Just like our page, subscribe to our page, and hit that notification bell, baka kayo ang manalo nitong mga Predator loot bags. We're gonna announce it after the video. So in case that you purchase this product, actually dalawang box siya. By the way, this laptop comes with the Microsoft Office. So this is actually a lifetime, not a trial version. So at least yun, nakatipid ka ng 5,000 sa Microsoft Office. So once we open the unit, we have here printed materials. We have here the laptop itself, and it's covered with cushions. Charger is 19.5 volts, that's 3.42 ampere with a 65 watts. And by the way, the laptop comes with an Acer backpack. So every time you purchase a Swift, may kasama siyang backpack. So itabi na natin to and then let's talk about the unit. So the color is pure silver, except nga lang dito sa sa mismong monitor screen. I also noticed that every time that you're gonna open this laptop, umaangat yung ilalim niya. This is what we call an ergo lift. Isa sa mga advantage ng ergo lift is mas madali yung airflow. Kasi normally, ang mga laptop, nag-intake siya sa ilalim and then binubuga niya sa gilid. On this laptop, dito niya binubuga yung hangin niya and then dito sa ilalim, yung air intake niya. So this is a 14-inch laptop and it is non-bezeled screen. Medyo may pagka-borderless na siya. You'll also notice that there's actually a diamond cut here on the monitor screen. So isa yun sa mga asset ng mga Acer Swift or yung mga other premium laptops. Parang sa Lenovo, we got here the Lenovo ThinkPad, and then sa Dell, yung mga Dell XPS. Yun yung mga premium grade laptop. Dito sa Acer, meron sa Acer Swift. Ayun, mapapansin yung mga diamond cuts nila dito. And there's also an Acer logo here at the back. And may Swift logo dito sa ilalim. There's actually a sticker here of AMD Ryzen 5 and then an AMD Radeon graphics. We're gonna go to the specifications later. And here on the other side, there's a Swift 3 sticker. It says here 14-inch IPS FHD, long life battery cycle or fast charging, sabi, ultra fast wireless speed, full function Type-C connector and HDMI port. Okay. And the laptop also comes with a fingerprint sensor here. Now, let's talk about the ports of this unit. On this side, we have here yung saksakan ng charger and then a USB Type-C 3.1 and then a HDMI port and a USB 3.0 charging. On the other side of the unit, we got here an audio combo jack and a USB 3.0, a light indicator if it is charging and it's on, and a Kensington lock. Now, let's talk about the dimension of this unit. The depth is 8.6 inch The width is 12.7 inch, while the height is 0.6 inch. The weight of this unit is 1.2 kilograms. So, hindi siya ganun kabigatan. Actually, ang gaan niya, dali niyang bitbitin kahit saan. And the viewing angle of this unit is somewhat of 130 degrees. So, nakabili na kami ng protractor pero nandun sa main office namin kasi nandito kami sa branch namin, Palusot 101. So, now let's talk about the specification of this unit. The exact model is Acer Swift 3, that's SF314-43-R4CP. The processor of this unit is AMD Ryzen 5, so that's one of the latest gen, and that's 5500U. So this runs with 6 cores and 12 threads. Base boost is 2.1, while the turbo boost is 4 GHz. The memory of this unit is 8 GB, and the speed is 4,000 MHz. Yo! The speed is 4,266 MHz. This is actually the first time that I saw na mataas na speed sa memory. Normally kasi yung dating predecessor nito is only 3,200 MHz. While in the Intel variant naman is only 2,933 for the 11th gen. This is new. Okay, so I think one of the pros of this unit. The storage of this unit is 512 SSD. So that's M.2 PCIe. This is actually running on Windows 10 OS. However, this laptop is upgradable to Windows 11. So the integrated graphics is AMD Radeon graphics. So this is not a dedicated, guys, like the gaming laptops. So this is just an integrated. But however, this is actually higher than an Ultra HD graphics. Mas mataas kahit paano ng onte ang AMD Radeon graphics. The display of this unit is 14 inch, so that's 1920 by 1080. It's a full HD. And this is an IPS display. So right now, I'm testing the camera of this unit. It's running a 0.9 MP katulad ng mga ibang laptops. But the quality of this unit is actually mas maganda compared to a standard or an average laptop. And what you're hearing right now is the audio quality of this laptop. On my typing test, I was able to score 38 words per minute in my first test. On the second test, I was able to score 46 words per minute. So, hindi naman kayo maninibago dito sa keyboard na to. It doesn't have a numpad because only a 14-inch, but it is a backlit keyboard. Ang tracking pad niya is actually medyo malaki compared to regular laptops. Now, this laptop is running an 8 GB memory. Let's see kung pwede pa i-upgrade yung memory nito o yung storage nito. However, we're not gonna do this in our Makati branch. We're gonna do it in our main office. So we're back here at our main office. So unfortunately, hindi kasi tayo pwede mag-open ng chassis sa Makati because walang available na technician doon. As I mentioned, gawa sa plastic ito. And then, dito may kita natin there's a fan here, and actually the memory is located here, and the SSD, which is a 512 SSD. Okay, so hindi na pwede upgrade ang memory nito. It's actually built in, and then there's no additional memory slot. And then dun sa storage, may nakakabit na 512 SSD. So hindi na rin pwedeng palitan yung SSD nito, as is na siya. Walang additional SSD slot. So to sum it up, wala tayong pwedeng i-upgrade dito. So the memory is as it is, ganun din sa SSD as it is. By the way, this laptop comes with a 1-week replacement and a 2 years Acer warranty. Alright, so itabi na natin to, and then let's talk about the pros and the cons of this unit, and babalik na ulit tayo sa Makati.
Look around, try to find the people who stand out, the faceless crowd, lost and found.
Okay, now let's talk about the pros and the cons of this unit. Number one, it has a feature of an ergo lift that every time that you're gonna open the laptop, aangat yung ilalim niya. So that's actually good for cooling. The other pros on this unit, it comes with a fingerprint sensor kasi hindi lahat ng laptop meron ganon. And of course, the aesthetics of this unit. Meron siyang may diamond cut dito sa mga sa monitor niya. Itsura niya mismo. It's a premium grade laptop. Kaya ganon, mas maganda yung appearance niya compared sa mga Aspire na laptops. But don't get me wrong, maganda rin yung mga Aspire laptops. It's just that, ito talaga, pinaganda lang talaga ni Acer. And the other pros on this unit, it's its memory speed. 4,200 MHz. So this is the first time that I have encountered na ganong kabilis na speed. Because I haven't encountered the 12th Gen Intel. Probably soon, once na nag-unbox kami ng Intel, baka, we're not sure kung mas mabilis ba yun or mas mabagal or the same. And then, other pros on this unit, of course, the display of this unit. It's an IPS, Full HD, and 100% sRGB. Now, let's talk about the cons of this unit. The ports. Normally, dapat sana ang ports ng mga unit is standard is 3. However, it's because medyo manipis na kasi yung laptop. Kaya probably it cannot accommodate any more ports on this unit. So the other cons of this unit is hindi pwedeng i-upgrade ang memory at hindi pwedeng i-upgrade ang SSD nito as it is siya. And then lastly, probably isa sa mga cons ng unit na to is its price. Kasi normally ang premium laptop is mas mahal compared sa mga regular consumer na laptop. So, sino yung mga target market ng itong unit na to? It's actually, pwede to for everyone. Okay naman kasi yung aesthetics niya. Parang angas ng dating pag meron kang bit-bit na Acer Swift. Para siyang MacBook Air na on the Windows laptop. Of course, pwede to sa mga simple programming, ganyan, sa mga simple encodings, and of course, for office purposes, if you're working from home. So this is also ideal for photo editing because it's giving 100% sRGB. And by the way, I almost forgot, this comes with a Microsoft Office lifetime. So you don't need to pay, you don't need to buy for a Microsoft Office. So kahit paano, nakatipid na kayo ng mga nasa around 4,000 to 5,000. In case na bibili nyo to sa labas, SRP nito is 42,000. But here in Laptop Factory, we'll be selling it only for 40,000. And sometimes we do a sale, baka maabutan nyo, mas mababa pa sa 40,000. In case that you're interested in buying this unit, actually we have this on stores nationwide. And we're just gonna list the branch later. Katulad ngayon, nandito kami sa Makati. We also have Installment. And then in case na ayaw nyo naman pumunta sa stores namin, it's fine, we do cash on delivery nationwide. Before we end this video, please do like and subscribe to our page because after this video, magbibigay kami ng Acer Predator loot bag. As we promised, pagdating namin ng 100,000 subscribers, magbibigay kami ng laptop. Now, then again, this is Dustin from Laptop Factory. Have a good day. Bye-bye. And now we're gonna unbox an Acer Swift.
Ulit.
This ergolit is actually ideal sa mga ulitin mo nga. Mga other premium laptops katulad ng mga Dell XPS, pati yung mga Asus na ano ba sa Asus? Hindi VivoBook eh. Asus. And the speed of this laptop is 4,000 megahertz. Huh?
All of the things you missed, all your interests.